Yo, what's up, guys? Finally, coronavirus lifted the ban on the auctions, and we're fucking back. And we just picked up a new car. Pretty excited. And it's right here, guys. 2011 335 M package. Right here. Look at this. They just towed it out. We're super excited. We wanted this car for like so long.
Yo,
you see everything M
clean.
trim everywhere. Look, show them that. Yeah, right here, right there. Come to the back.
Sport seats.
Let's see
Damn,
what's
the
in
leather
the
is
car.
mad freaking clean.
Close the door. Close the door.
Damn, look at this shit. What the
Close
fuck?
the door to keep it.
Can't believe this shit, bro.
Oh shit, it's not open. Open. Can you open the other door? Battery.
I don't
Yo,
know.
BMW Performance Edition. Look.
Show it.
Guys, look. This is a BMW Performance Edition. Got the dual exhaust, 335. Let's see the fucking. Pop the hood. Let's see what we got down here. Twin turbos. Let's see. Imagine there's no engine in here. It's gonna be crazy. Let's go with this release. Let me see. Oh, got it. Okay, looks pretty dirty. Looks like shit. But we got the engine, at least. We got the twin turbos. Let's see. There's no dipstick here, but it looks super clean. No gunk, nothing. It's supposed to have about 40k miles or less. Everything was super clean. There's no, can't check the oil, but you know, everything so far sitting at the auction is pretty trashed up. This car is too good for this much dirt. We're gonna do whole detailing over there. Now we gotta get the keys and hope that it starts up. You know, look at that aggressive grill.
Man, nice.
Super nice. You can tell it's the M package. Let's see what we got here. We're gonna do a detailing. It's not that bad compared to the Jeep. This is pretty easy. What is this? Oh, he has a tire inflator, some paperwork. Imagine we find keys here. What's this? Ray-Bans. There? Nah, they wouldn't leave that here. No glasses. Bunch of shit here. Let's check here if they got. Let's reopen this. Oh shit, $2. The fuck? $3. Some change. Nice, not bad. A lot. And the port. Okay. $3. We got a tip. Man. Not bad. Here's the tip for the day. Let's see what's in the back. Pop the trunk. Maybe there's something in the trunk. Can
you can't, cause it's like.
It's a fucking. You need to boost it.
Yeah.
To jump it. Okay. Back seats look super clean. Let's see. I can open this. Does this open? Maybe we can open the seats. Does it pull back? No, it doesn't pull back. Oh shit. What the fuck?
What?
We got a fucking Xbox.
No.
Yo, and it's heavy.
God, get the
This fucking
fuck
box
out of
is
here.
heavy. What the fuck? Okay, this is a tire pump. Okay, that's not bad.
What
But
the
fucking
fuck?
Xbox? Bro, that's a
Which one is
Christmas. I think it's
Xbox
Xbox
360.
360. Oh, that's
Is
the
that-
old one.
That's the old one?
I think so.
Bro, but
Yo, remember we found the
fucking
games?
sell it. Yeah.
We found the games for Xbox. Now we got the fucking console. It's about time to
This guy
play.
got a protein shake.
Protein shake.
This probably
Yo, if this is your car, we'll give this protein back. I don't know about the car. And we might take the Xbox too.
Oh, this guy was a tennis player, bro. Tennis balls.
Yo, open this box. Does it fit through here?
No.
Let's try to fit it through. Cause if this is, it's pretty heavy. I hope it's actually in there. Shit, that's crazy, man.
Oh shit,
That's
no,
fucking crazy. So just open it here. Open it here. Oh, I think we can open the trunk from the inside. There's supposed to be like a release from the inside to open it. Oh,
my
shit.
god.
Let me put the
fuck?
Look at this.
Fucking Xbox with
There's
games.
fucking Xbox. Controller is here. Fucking games are here. Shit. The whole console is here, hopefully.
Hold on, let me see. Show.
Oh shit, what is this?
Oh, that's a piece of crap.
The fuck is this? Like Buddha? Yo, the fucking
don't take it
console
out,
is
bro.
right here, bro.
Oh,
That's fucking awesome. We can't see anything else inside, but we got the controllers and we got a, what game is this? We got this game. Comes with some game. Max Payne. I don't know. We'll try to. We'll let you know if the Xbox works. But as far as that, we just need to pop the trunk and get the keys and
yeah,
see
I'm sure
if it
we can do
starts
it
up.
from inside, but it's mad work
Yeah.
though. Like we can do it later, bro.
Yeah. But other than that, just have a small scratch. It's nothing. We got the rims.
Yo, we're gonna
And
clean
package.
this shit. We're gonna
Clean the whole shit up. We got a little dent right here, which is, it's not, it's bad, but it's not that bad. So, this fucking car is beautiful, man. What do you think?
Bro, this is crazy. This is better than I expected, bro. I was like, fuck it, let's. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not too much of a fan with like a 335 with 4 doors, but I was like, you know what, fuck it. But this shit actually looks mad nice, yeah.
Yeah,
I
definitely.
gotta give you that one though, yeah.
Yeah, it's fire. It's fire, man. I love this car. We put a little front splitter, front lip, and
Yo, this shit
should be fire. Maybe we put a diffuser in the back. We might even tune it. We'll see. Just gotta see. Hopefully it starts up. So we're gonna put break down how much we spent, everything on all the cars. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. This, the Jeep, the other BMW we had, everything. I don't think we recorded that, but stay tuned, guys. Yo, what's up, guys? So we got a locksmith right here trying to start the car. It's not looking too good right now, but we'll see. Hopefully we get it started. Shit. Oh shit. Yo, fucking started, man.
Yeah, this is, you could watch it.
59th try.
Take a picture of this.
If you ever lose your key, that's the code you need. That's the ISN that it was looking for.
Nice. Nice, man.
Traction's off?
No, it says 4x4. The 4x4 light's off.